I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cilantro potato salad. Now, a lot of people don't like cilantro. They think it tastes kind of soapy, but you know, you use it in just the right balance with just the right ingredients. It can just do lovely things for whatever you're making. It especially goes well with Southwest Mexican style dishes. So that's how I'm going to season this potato salad. I have some chopped cooked potatoes, and I cut them into bite-sized pieces and then boiled them for 5 to 10 minutes, just until they're soft but not mushy. And then I'm going to add some chopped green bell pepper. Gonna chop up some cilantro leaves. Gonna add a bit of chili powder. Using a mild chili powder, but you really could use mild or hot. I'm gonna add some fresh lime juice. Some olive oil. A little bit of salt. This will be tasty right away, but it'll be even tastier in about 10 minutes after the potatoes have had a chance to really soak up the flavors. So here you have a cilantro potato salad.